When you sign a loan, the contract determines what happens if you cannot pay. Let us look at what recourse actually means for borrowers. Recourse refers to the legal right of a lender to collect money from you beyond just the collateral if you default on a debt. With full recourse, the lender is not limited to the value of the property. They can pursue your other assets to cover the remaining debt. Loans vary by type. Some are strictly limited to the asset, while others keep your personal finances on the hook if the asset value drops. The main difference is the lender's reach. Non-recourse protects your other savings, while recourse loans turn your entire net worth into potential collateral. Because non-recourse loans carry more risk for the bank, they often come with higher interest rates compared to standard recourse loans. It is vital to read the fine print. Never assume a loan is non-recourse unless it is explicitly stated in your contract documents. Understanding recourse helps you manage your financial risk. Educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching and stay informed.